Menteri Rangba ka Jalao Konrad ke sangma menta ka sngi ula banjur shapang ka jingdon kam bani mirjing mutlang hapo ka Jala bat shabar kiri halor ka jinglong jingban ka sin baneng bat ka mariang haba ai jingkran Menteri Rangba ula ong baga jing thmu jong kani ka jingalang kalong ban pin ye kendu ye ka tanat ba pher jong ka sarkar bat kinong kit kam shnong ban ye kren halor ki mat bat om day ban shu pel jingmut tang ha ka jing pentri kam ki scheme lani ban pin dep ye ka thong hakani ka jingalang ka ba arsingi lenter la yeshim banta da economic mat na Thailand Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Cambodia, but Vietnam, ringkat kinong dan bentana ke lengkiri ke perthai. Hakani ke program laidon lang Menteri Ketenat Water Resource uba coming one embon ke Menteri Ketenat kokoi ke kia kokong Amprin Lingdo, Menteri Ketenat Fisheries berkiwe uba AL Hek ber ke Secretary jong Ketenat Jal Shakti ke Sarkar India ke Debashri Mukherjee.
Really the goal is. So number one, the objective of this actual conference and the conclave is to bring everybody together, department-wise, throughout state governments, throughout different organizations, throughout society, to realize that we need to keep our eye on the ball. And we need to address the issues and not just focus on scheme implementation or completion of certain targets. And hence, a holistic approach is required. We need to realize that there is a larger objective to what individually every department is doing, and we need to talk to each other.